Elias here. Good morning to you all. Just want to make a small video on the mods I'm making for the Duke 390. So I ordered 2 items from Backorder's Performance. As you know, he's a famous stunt rider for the Duke 390. You'll see his posts on Facebook and Instagram all over. I had recently installed the FuelX Pro for the Duke 390, and it's completely a stock bike except for the air filter, which is BMC. And I wanted the fueling is fine now with the FuelX Pro, but I need more air, so I have ordered 2 items, and they are these. I'll show you. Okay, that is one card. Welcome. Look at that, hiding underneath. Coober AIRBOX lid. So the AIRBOX lid goes here, okay, under the rider's seat. That's the AIRBOX lid. And the Decat short pipe that comes before the chamber, the pre-silent. That's good quality, nicely hammered joints. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So the bent pipe goes here, see, from the black box all the way till here. This is the stock catalyst cat delete. So with these the bike will perform even better. I'll have these installed and I will let you know was it worth it or not. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you.